Hey, so if you're using Calendly and you're getting double bookings, like two people booking the same time slot, yeah, that can be frustrating, but it's usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to stop double bookings in 2026. First thing, make sure your Google Calendar or Outlook is properly connected. If it's not synced, Calendly won't see your busy times. Next, check your availability settings. So make sure Calendly is only allowing bookings when you're actually free. All right, enable calendar conflict detection. I mean, this ensures Calendly blocks times that are already busy. Now, check which calendar is being used for conflicts. Sometimes the wrong calendar is selected, causing overlaps. Next, add buffer time between meetings. So, even a small 10-minute gap can prevent back-to-back booking issues. All right, check your event types. I mean, different event types can accidentally overlap if they share the same time slots. And yeah, test your booking page like a client would. Try booking a slot that should be busy and confirm it's blocked. So that's how you fix Calendly double booking problems. Once everything is synced correctly, your schedule should stay fully conflict free.